my dear children, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. Dear children, how are you? Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of our chapter is The Sky. My dear little ones, are you ready for our today's class? Shall we start? My dear children, look at this picture. Can you explain about the picture? Yes, this is the picture of the sky during night. And in this picture we can see the stars and the moon. My dear children, in your first standard you studied that the light emitted by the moon is called moonlight, right? Do you remember? The moon does not have its own light because moon is not a self-luminous body. Dear children, do you know from where does the moon gets its light? Okay, listen. The moon gets its light from the sun. We know that sun is a self-luminous body because it has its own light. So the sunlight that falls on the moon reaches the earth as moonlight. My dear children, do you know the shape of the moon? The shape of the moon is not same on all nights. On some nights we can see the full moon, and on some nights we can see the half moon, and we can also see the crescent moon on some nights. The shape of the moon changes from night to night. The changes in the shape of moon are called lunar changes. My dear children, do you know why the shape of the moon changes from night to night? Okay, listen. This is because the moon takes 1 month to revolve around the earth. When the moon revolves around the earth, it reflects sunlight. From earth, we can only see the part of the moon that is facing us. The shape of the moon we see on any given night depends on how much of the moon's face is in sunlight at that point. That is why the shape of the moon changes from night to night. My dear children, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, we can see a full moon. The day on which we can see the full moon is called full moon day. This full moon day is also known as Purnima. Okay, dear children, say once more, what is a full moon day? Yes, the day on which we can see the full moon is called full moon day. On full moon day or Purnima, there will be a full moon and gives us bright light. After full moon day, the size of the moon changes day by day and disappears completely. So the day on which we cannot see the moon is called no moon day or Amavasya. Okay dears, once more, what is no moon day? Yes, the day on which we cannot see the moon is called no moon day or Amavasya. The moon changes its shape from no moon to full moon and also from full moon to no moon. And this happens every 15 days. My dear children, see this. What is this? Yes, it is a calendar of December 2021, right? In this calendar, we can see the date in which no moon day and full moon day comes. On December 4, we can see a black dot. This black dot represents the day as no moon day. And the 15th day, that is 19, is marked as full moon day or Purnima. On 19, we can see a white dot, and the white dot represents the day as Purnima or full moon day. Dear children, with the help of the calendar, we can easily identify the full moon day and the no moon day. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Okay, my dears, I hope you all understood our today's topic very well. See you in the next class. Thank you.